Welcome to Top Rated. Five Best Samsung Refrigerator of 2023. Top 1. Samsung Fingerprint Resistant Stainless Steel French Door Refrigerator. 27.8 cubic feet, 15.7 fridge capacity, 8.3 freezer capacity, Wi-Fi and Bixby enabled, food showcase door, flex zone drawer, 27.8 cubic feet. Total 15.7 fridge capacity, 8.3 freezer capacity, food showcase door, provides quick access to everyday items while minimizing the loss of cool air. Flex zone drawer, a flexible storage drawer with 4 different temperature settings and an adjustable, smart divider to stay organized. Adjustable shelves. Adjustable shelves go from standard to slide in or flip up, to store tall items with ease. Wi-Fi and Bixby enabled, use your smartphone to control the temperature and monitor your refrigerator remotely. AutoFill water pitcher, a built-in pitcher that automatically refills with filtered water and the option to infuse with a flavor of your choice. Fingerprint resistant finish, a special finish to reduce smudges and minimize cleaning. High-efficiency LED lighting designed to beautifully light up the interior of your fridge so you're able to quickly spot what you want. Accessibility, ADA compliant, easy to reach, controls for everyone. Twin cooling plus, near commercial grade humidity levels, helps prevent spoiling and freezer burn. Metal cooling, stainless steel paneling maintains consistent temperature throughout the refrigerator. Ice Max, large capacity, stores up to 10 pounds of ice. Energy Star certified, eco-friendly and energy efficient, stainless steel finish. Top 2. Samsung 27 cubic feet fingerprint resistant stainless steel 3-door French door refrigerator with external water and ice dispenser. 27 QFT. Fingerprint resistant finish, external filtered water and ice, high-efficiency LED lighting. Samsung 27 cubic feet fingerprint resistant stainless steel French door refrigerator with external water and ice dispenser. Top 3. Samsung RF29A9671SR 29 cubic feet. Stainless steel smart 4-door Flexo 153. Refrigerator. 29 cubic feet. Total capacity, beverage center, dual ice maker with ice bites, flex zone. Samsung ADA 29 cubic feet fingerprint resistant stainless steel smart 4-door flex refrigerator with beverage center and dual ice maker. Top 4. Samsung 11.3 cubic feet 24 inches bottom freezer refrigerator, slim width for small spaces, even cooling, LED lighting, slide shelf, RB10FSR4 ESRAA, fingerprint resistant stainless steel. Compact design, big style. The bottom freezer refrigerator features a slim width designed to fit in smaller kitchen spaces while maximizing storage capacity. Fingerprint resistant finish, stainless steel exterior has a fingerprint-proof finish that withstands everyday smudges, so you spend less time cleaning. High-efficiency LED lighting, it's designed with LED lighting to beautifully light up the fridge's interior, so you can quickly spot what you're looking for. FIT One More frozen pizza, features a larger freezer opening that fully extends out, for easy organization in removing items. Easy slide shelf, enjoy access to everything, even the lost salsa. In the back, thanks to a shelf that is built on rolling hinges, so you can easily organize and access all food items. Energy Star certified, Samsung bottom freezer refrigerator is eco-friendly, energy efficient, and Energy Star certified. Top 5. Samsung 23 cubic feet smart counter depth 4-door flex refrigerator with AutoFill water pitcher, dual ice maker, Energy Star certified, RF23A9071 SRAA, fingerprint resistant stainless steel. AutoFill water pitcher, a built-in pitcher that automatically refills with filtered water and the option to infuse with a flavor of your choice. Dual ice maker with ice bites, enjoy your favorite beverage with your choice of ice. Select, convert from fridge to freezer, customize your lower right storage space to be a large flexible storage, with 23 cubic feet of capacity. This spacious refrigerator is designed for convenience, offering unmatched flexibility and organization to store and access all your favorite foods with ease. Modern design, a modern, built-in look featuring a minimalist exterior with a signature flat door design and recessed handles that blend seamlessly into your kitchen. Flex Crisper fridge has a flexible storage drawer that is perfect for storing meats, veggies, or cheeses at their optimal temperature with 2 customizable temperature settings. UV deodorizing filter, keep the air in your fridge fresh day after day with a built-in deodorizing filter. The filter reduces odor from the air in your fridge, while UV technology continuously cleans the filter itself. Triple cooling, a premium cooling system featuring 3 evaporators for ultimate freshness and providing precise temperature and humidity controls in all 3 zones to help your food stay fresher longer. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.